Welcome to South Beach. Some people come here for the sun, some for the fun, but not me. I'm working. Today I'm going as a delivery rider, seeing what it takes to deliver people's food by e-bike. My ride of choice today is the electric XP 3.0 outfitted with a pair of these delivery bags. Hopefully this, along with the spare battery I brought, will be everything I need to do a solid 4 hours of delivering today. Come along with me and let's see how this goes.
And by the way, I'm going to give away a free electric XP 3.0 e-bike to someone watching this video right now, so make sure you watch until the end to see how that could be you.
Alright, time to start my shift as a dasher. I'm in South Beach and I will dash now. Alright, time to start dashing. I'm currently looking for orders. Technically, I did this about a week ago. I did one order to get your welcome kit as a new dasher. You have to complete an order. So I didn't film my first order because I didn't think it'd be anything exciting, but it kind of was because I got an address in a park. I rolled up at the Chick-fil-A and it was 3 shirtless Florida men getting high in the back of a pickup truck. They were like, dude, I've never seen someone doing DoorDash on a bike. And I was like, dude, I've never even done DoorDash before. We were all pretty excited. Gave me a $7 tip, so good first order. That was a week ago. I'm hoping that now that it's my first real full day of doing this, I'll have another similarly good experience. I probably don't need to just be rolling around while I'm waiting for orders though, kind of burning battery here, but it is fun to see South Beach. Now I brought 2 batteries. I have my regular battery and I have a spare long-range battery, so I'm hoping that's going to be enough to get through 4.5 hours here. Oh, got someone TikToking.
So I spent almost 10 minutes riding up and down Ocean Avenue along the beach when this happened.
Oh, got my first order. $3.50 from McDonald's. Accept. Alright, now where the heck is McDonald's? Let's head to McDonald's. Excuse me, sir. Important delivery order coming through!
DoorDash's map seems to route you based on however they feel like, but I can see a shorter path thanks to me being on a bike, so I'm charting my own path in the general direction of McDonald's.
Alright, Mickey D's, here we come! And peeps, drive slow in South Beach, out of my way! Got an important order! Mickey D's, I found it! Sorry, Mr. Scooter, I'm double parking you. Important order. Official business.
Rolling up to McDonald's, I locked up outside so no one would steal my bike, and then I headed in to find the order.
Alright, so Tanya's got 2 mango pineapple smoothies and some french fries. I don't know how these drinks are going to go in that bag, but let's try it.
I waited like a noob for about 5 minutes for them to call Tanya's order, but nothing was coming, so I finally did what I should have done at the start.
Hi, I'm picking up a DoorDash order with 2 smoothies. Window. No one said anything about a window.
Turns out there's a second window outside for mobile orders. Whoops.
For Tanya, that's 8 BE. It's 2 pineapple smoothies and fries. Thank you very much. Oh man, I didn't know there was a window. That cost me time. Sorry, Tanya.
I confirmed that I picked up the order and started to leave when I realized I had forgotten something important.
Oh, forgot I was locked. Oh man, I'm so new at this. Alright, now let's go. Sorry, Tanya, I'm coming!
Now, it's hard to explain this exactly, but there's this weird level of applied stress here because someone's waiting on you, it's your job to get there, the phone's flashing at you, things are beeping, it's telling you what time you're supposed to arrive by. That time is always 2 to 3 minutes faster than it seems like is physically possible, and the whole time you're flying down the road trying to stay alive, but more importantly, keep those drinks from spilling because your tip likely depends on it. Now here is my first chance to see how tricky this can get. It turns out that Tanya's going to be in a hotel, but it doesn't actually say that. It just gives me an address that, when I finally get to it, seems to be like a back alley, and I cannot find the place. So I'm walking around. Finally I call her, I figure out which hotel she's in, and then I head in to meet her in the lobby.
Hey. How's it going? Here you go. Sure thing, have a good one. Okay, so I just handed Tanya her order. That went a lot worse than I thought it would go. Could not find the place. Hopefully it's a little easier than that. It didn't say anything about which hotel she was in, but figured it out in the end. Made $3.50 on that order. Not exactly a great take. Hopefully they pick up from here.
Also, just FYI, I filmed this video several months ago during the heat of the summer in Miami, so after my first order I threw on my UV sleeves to keep my arms from roasting in the Florida sun. After that, I cruised around for another 15 minutes or so until I got another glorious ding from DoorDash.
Oh yeah, got what says is a high-paying order. All right, accept. You just scan and check the recipient's ID. All right. Looks like I'm picking up some booze.
This time the order was from Total Wine, and I guess alcohol is a high-paying order.
The nice thing about being on a bike is you can just cut all the traffic here. Well, 5-0.
I hightailed it to what turned out to be a shopping mall of sorts, and then I had to find the liquor store in the mall. So Florida. And then I found out why this was a quote high-paying order. It wasn't just picking up someone's booze, I actually had to go shopping for it using DoorDash's credit card they give you when you sign up.
Alright, start shopping. We've added a timer so you can track your shopping. Nothing like a little pressure. Hi, could you tell me where I would find this Corbel Brute?
It's an all
11? Awesome, thank you so much. Good, how are you?
That's not filming, right?
No, it's just when I'm out on my bike.
Got you.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
I'm supposed to scan this.
Just hit confirm.
Oh, confirm? Thanks, this is the first time I've done this.
This one, swipe it. I'm gonna press credit when it says PIN number.
Alright, man, you're
Hit
good
the
at
green
this. This is not your first time.
Wow.
So I'm all good?
There you go, my love. All good.
Awesome, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Head south toward 5th Street, then turn right onto 5th Street.
You Kieran? Awesome. Cool. Looks good. You seem over 21, right? Yeah. Perfect. Oh, there you go, my man.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
Sure thing.
Thanks.
Hey, have a good day.
And this is where I realized it was not as simple as just handing a stranger alcohol.
Kieran? I'm sorry, I actually have to scan your ID for this. Apologize. Yeah, it's telling me I gotta scan your ID. Sorry about that. All right, once the front successful, verify the ID matches, you look good. Hand ordered recipient, thank you so much.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
All right, just made $8.50 delivering some wine there, so off to a bit better of a start now. Let's see what else we can get here. About an hour and a half in, I've only done 2 orders, not great, and I forgot to bring water, so I had to blow a couple bucks on water. That's gonna cut into my earnings. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but it's been almost 2 hours, I've only gotten 2 orders. Hoping this starts to pick up a little bit, but I'm not too optimistic at this point. I don't know if it's because I'm new at this, they don't give me as many orders or what. But I don't know how anyone can make a living doing this. And right after I recorded that, I got an offer. It looks like Hibachi House, 1.6 miles from here. All right, $5.50. Let's do it.
At the Hibachi House, I was waiting on Raphael's order when all of a sudden a second order for Jessica came in, meaning I got a 2 birds, 1 stone kind of situation.
Appreciate it. Have a good one. Hey, my man. Looking for DoorDash? Raphael? I got you. All right, enjoy, man. All right, Jessica, I'm coming. Got your hibachi house.
I found Jessica's apartment, or so I thought. I swear I'm a good map reader, but the way DoorDash gives you directions and puts a vague dot on a map, you really can't blame delivery workers when it's confusing which building you're in. I thought I found hers, and the gate was locked, so I just jimmied it to get in, but then it turned out she was in the next building over.
You're outside? Oh no, I think I went to the wrong building. Oh, I see you over here. Just broke into the wrong building for no reason.
Oh, so that is my friend's apartment anyway.
Perfect. So tell him not to shoot me. Sure thing.
By now it was early afternoon and the orders kept coming in, starting to feel more and more the same. Pick it up, drop it off.
Jennifer?
Thank you so much.
Sometimes with a few extra instructions.
Hi, DoorDash? Yeah, for Leslie? Perfect. Thank you very much.
Be careful.
Drinks? Okay. Thank you. Hi, I got a DoorDash order for Enid C. That's my guy. Thank you very much. Thank you. You too.
Then something weird came in. A CVS order where I had to do another shopping run, only this time for a pink hair bow. That's it. Someone needed a polka dot pink hair bow and they needed it so quickly that they ordered it for delivery by DoorDash. The only problem was, on the way to deliver it, I ended up running out of battery on the side of the road. Fortunately, I had a spare with me and I did a quick change there. I got just over 20 miles or so on the first battery, which isn't bad considering I was riding fast with mostly throttle and I had those very non-aerodynamic bags on, but a second battery is definitely a good idea for long shifts, or I guess I could just pedal more.
Need my camera too, though.
With my spare battery in, I was able to continue on my way and make that critically important hair bow delivery. Though they requested it be left at the door, so I didn't even get to satisfy my curiosity about the type of person who makes this order.
Okay, so I've only got 20 minutes left in my shift here, and I've made so far $41.75. Not a great haul by any stretch of the imagination. I will say I have learned a ton so far. Oh gosh, I can't tell you what I learned yet because I got a new order. McDonald's. All right, we're gonna come back to you soon. Except,
You guys will remember the McDonald's was also my first run of the day, so we all know I should be a pro at it by now, but this is a different branch, and as I'm looking for that special mobile pickup window, it turns out at this one you do just pick it up at the counter. Of course. Also, this one went to a Sherwin-Williams paint store, by the way. Talk about a diverse selection of delivery locations.
hey, is there Carlos here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Can you give this to him? Thanks so much.
Thank you, man. Have a good day.
Hey, you too. All right, just finished the Sherwin-Williams delivery. I've got 10 minutes left in my shift, so I don't think I'm going to get any more orders. All right, so what have I learned so far? First of all, this is not very profitable. I've made $48 in the last 4.5 hours or so. That's below minimum wage. Next, this is harder than it looks because a lot of these places are hard to find. They're apartment buildings that are tucked behind. Sometimes it's commercial buildings where you don't realize the dude is an employee in the commercial building. Apparently you got to go to CVS and shop for people's hair products. There's a lot to this that I didn't know went into it. Excuse me.
Yes.
Hi, could you help me find something? I can't find this headband. Long story short, respect your delivery dude, make it easy for him, meet him if you can, and generally try to keep in mind the fact that while you get to have your nice hot lunch, someone's out here sweating and working hard to bring it to you.
Also, please tip your delivery rider if you see they're on a bike. $3.50 is not a lot of money to deliver your food, especially when they very well might only get 1 or 2 orders like that an hour sometimes. They work hard, tip them accordingly. Just over half of the $48 I made actually came from tips. If I hadn't been tipped, I would have made just over $20 for 4.5 hours of work.
On the e-bike side of things, I will say though that I would much rather be doing this on an e-bike than a car. There were so many cases where I just got to wiggle through traffic or slip through red lights that, like, yeah, probably you shouldn't just ride through it, but I would slow down, make sure there's no one there, and then I'd go through. So there's a lot of advantages to doing this by bike. It's also just a lot more fun. Now, before I go, I promised that someone was going to win this bike, the Electric XP 3.0. Big thank you to Electric E-Bikes for helping me do this video, for sponsoring this giveaway, and for basically being a cool e-bike company. Now, how's this going to work? If you think that your life could be made better by having an e-bike in it, maybe you need a way to get to work, you need an e-bike for work, you need a way to get back into fitness, but it's outside of your reach financially, I want you to let me know. Head on over to EbikeSchool.com/ebikesforgood, fill out the entry form, and I want to try and get people just like you, people who can be helped by an e-bike but can't afford it, I want to get you guys a free e-bike. So head on over, fill out that entry form. Last but not least, it is time to announce the winner of the bike giveaway from my last video. The randomly selected entrant is
Alex E.
So congratulations, and if you guys want to win an e-bike too, make sure you fill out that entry form. The very last but not least though, it's time to announce the winner of the book from my last video, and the randomly selected commenter is
David Jones.
So congratulations, just let me know which one of my books you'd like. You can choose from DIY Lithium Batteries, DIY Solar Power, The Ultimate Do-It-Yourself E-Bike Guide, or my latest book, The Electric Bike Manifesto. And anybody else who wants a chance to win one of my books for free but doesn't want to wait that long to hopefully win one of them, you can always find my books on Amazon. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. See you here next time.